Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off restrictions on iPhone without your passcode of your screen time in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's say that you have a restriction set up on your iPhone, but you want to turn it off, but you do not know the password to it. Then this video is for you. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings. Then on settings, you want to scroll a bit down and then go to screen time. And here, as you can see, you have an option of changing the screen time passcode. So what I want you to do is click on it, and over here is an option of turning off your screen time password. And if you do not have the passcode, simply, if you have the password, then you can simply type in your screen time passcode. But if you do not have this, then click on forget password, and here you can write in your Apple ID, and then you can write in your Apple ID password, and it will unlock it or change the screen time on your iPhone. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how you can turn off restrictions on iPhone without your screen time password in 2024. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.